There are many different vehicles pack out there, like the traffic add-on or transportation. So is this mega fleet pack bringing something new to the table? To find out, I reviewed it in depth. I talked to the team behind the project. I waited a month to be sure that the promises were delivered. And my conclusion is yes, this add-on brings something new and it's impressive. So what it is, what makes it so special? Well, this is this one thing, the number of vehicles you get. If you grab your copy right now, you'll have 120 vehicles. But that's not it. You will have around 20 more vehicles each month until it reaches 300 vehicles. Yes, you heard it correctly. You'll end up with 300 vehicles in the pack. That's simply nuts for the price. But quantity doesn't mean lack of quality. As you saw in the introduction, the cars are photorealistic and on top of that, already rigged, so ready for animation. And before we jump into Blender to see how it works, this add-on is actually 30% off. So if you needed cars, I think it's the right time to get it. The link will be in the description. And just to be clear, I'm not paid to do this review, it's my honest opinion. To install the add-on in Blender, you need to download the last version of Megafleet and all the zip files containing the cars. As usual, once in Blender, you click on Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, Install. You click on the Megafleet 4.0, Install add-on. Be sure to have the add-on activated with this checkbox. Then you select a directory where you will put all the different cars. You click on Install Fleet. You select all the zip files you have downloaded. If you don't have enough space on your hard drive, you can install a file one by one or just select the car that you will use and you click Install Fleet. After that, you will have the Megafleet add-on available in Blender. The add-on is very easy to use, so here you will have all the different categories. So classic sports, classics, convertible, etc., etc. You will have 120 cars once again, and soon 300s. I really like the exotic sports car because you will find some great sports cars. Then when you want to add a car to your scene, you just select your car and you click on Add Vehicle. And by default, you can't animate the car, you can't use the rig. You will have to select the car like this and click on Interaction Mode. Now you can select the rig and create your animation. It's also very simple to change the color of a car. So let's take, for example, this Ferrari, Add Vehicle. And if you want to change the color, you just have to pick a color here. I will go for black. And you click on Add Custom Color. And voila. You have now a new color for your car. Let me go in Material Preview mode so you can better see. And you can also select the different car paint, for example, matte. I like the matte as well. So as you can see, the add-on is very easy to use and this number of vehicles makes it incredible. If you want to check all the cars you will get, I will put the link of the official website in the description. So you will have the details of all the different cars in each category. And one more thing, there is actually a contest with this Megafleet add-on. I will put the link in the description. And the main prize is a $40.90. Yes, you heard it correctly, a $40.90 to win, plus a 1-year subscription to the Mable Freelancer. And all you have to do is to create an animation using the Megafleet add-on. I mean, the prizes are crazy. I really love this initiative from the Megafleet team. So that's it for today, guys. Don't hesitate if you have questions. If you want to check the add-on once again, I will put the link in the description. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.